The company sent me this set of 30 skeins of yarn to try out. These are about 20 grams each, so it's a little less than an ounce. Since it's a small amount of each, I decided to knit up the skeins to show exactly how much you get if you crochet one skein and you knit one skein. So let's look at that next. What you get in this set is the 30 balls of yarn. These are just little skeins, and I would call these like a sample size. They're acrylic, and you can make about 50 square inches of either a crocheted fabric, and this is just a single crochet, or a knit fabric, and this is a basic garter stitch, so it's just knitting on both rows. And depending on what stitch you're doing and that kind of thing, what size needles, this is a number 7 needle and this is a number 5 hook. You're going to be able to get a little bit more or less depending on how small it is. It also does come with the number 5 crochet hook, and this has a rubber handle. I found this very easy to work with. It was easy to grip and comfortable. I'm not a crocheter, and I used their videos. There's a scannable code that you can go and learn how to crochet. So you can learn a basic crochet stitch. It's about 50 square inches, regardless of whether you're knitting or crocheting, out of each skein. And you could put all of these together to make a really colorful throw blanket. There's a good selection of different shades. So there's warm shades, there's cool shades with the greens and the blues. There are some fall shades here with the browns and the oranges, and then there's some neutrals. There's enough here that you could definitely make scarves or blankets, and 2 of them make a piece this size. So you could definitely make a nice throw blanket to put on the couch or to give as a gift. This is a really good set for kids to start with because there's so many colors, they're going to find something that they like. It does give you enough of each color that you can design some things that have multicolors in them, and definitely you'll be able to find something that you like in here. So give this set a try, and like I said, they do have instructions where you can scan it and go and learn how to crochet. So if you're a beginner and you're kind of afraid to start, don't be. This is a good way to get started. And I did learn how to do a single crochet, so there you go.